You can also set out options for the current database easily inside of Microsoft Access. So to access the options, first of all, when your database is opened up, you can go to File and then you can go to Options right here. And in Options, you can see Current Database is an option. So if I were to go around and type in TutuTube right here, and I type in database, so let me just go around, type that in, you can see on the top it says TutuTube database right here, which is now what this file is named out. You can go around into options right here and you can see that there's various options that you can enable or disable. For example, if you want overlapping windows or something, you can go around and adjust it from over here, as you can see. You can go around over here, enable and disable the things as per how you like it. And over here, you can see that you have an option whether you want to enable the layout view or not. So right now, the layout view is there. So if I were to go around over here on view, you will be able to see the layout view in different things. Like let's say, for example, if I were to go around over here, there's layout view. But if I were to go around into option right here and scroll down, there's the layout view as an option. If you disable this and press OK, you won't be able to see the layout view anymore. So let me just go around, close this out right here and open this file out again. So let me just open this file out right here. And if I were to go around into form right here, there's no layout view over here anymore because that is protected. So if you want to protect out your database and so you accidentally don't edit it out, you can enable and disable out the layout views as well. And as it opens up, you can see that it opens directly the table form. But if I want the form to be open, I can press OK right here. It says you must close and reopen the file. So let me just close this file around. And if I were to go to File and open up the database, you can see that it directly opens up the form. And that is how you can set up the options so that your database actually behaves in a different way according to how you like it. Inside of Microsoft Access. So you can try these out right here, and depending on what you want, you can go around and allow menus right here, as you can see right here, and a display status bar and do different things to your database, as you can see. And that is how you can work around with options for current database inside Microsoft Access. So hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.